This is a test. A test of your ability to follow very clear instructions. Now, if you pass this test, you'll instantly unlock one of the most powerful machines on the planet. Now, this machine is the secret behind a $6.8 billion industry with new millionaires being created online every single day. And the exact secret you can unlock right now to create passive monthly income and even get your own dream car 100% paid for. Don't believe me? Here's just a few people who have unlocked this machine. Now, I know that you see a lot of hype on the internet. Trust me, I'm sick of it too. All these bogus systems and programs that force you into buying shakes and lotions and potions, then bug your friends and family to buy it. Now, if you've ever been ripped off by these scammers who are just out to take your hard-earned money, I know it doesn't feel good. I've been there too. You deserve much better. We all do. And I'm here to make this a reality for you right now, if you can follow directions. Your first step is watching this video in its entirety. If you can't even do that, click away and go back to your old life. You wouldn't believe how many people cannot even follow these simple instructions. So, if you can, and you want what I'm about to give you, listen up and focus down. The machine you're about to unlock is 100% real, 100% verified, and 100% legit. No potions, no lotions, or any other junk to buy. No multi-level marketing schemes, and no gurus overcharging you for bad advice. This is the real deal, and I'll prove it. And now that I've cracked the code to using the secret machine for myself and hundreds of other people, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it for yourself. In fact, if you pass this test, I'll give this machine to you absolutely free. Yep, that's right. You may not know me, and that's okay. I'd honestly rather stay anonymous. But for now, you can call me Jay. For years, I've been helping people from all walks of life ditch their 9-to-5 and pursue a life of freedom that only the internet can provide. Now, for most people, it's a daunting place. But for those who get help from the right people, the right mentors, and the right systems, the internet is a digital gold mine. And I've done pretty well for myself because I truly care about other people's results. Listen to exactly what I'm saying because this is a big deal. I care about your results. Unlike all the selfish scammers out there who might charge you $10,000 or more for even less information than I'm about to provide. I want to help 50 new entrepreneurs make profit online without paying me a single penny. And if you're one of the first 50 and you can do exactly as I say, it's your turn. What you do with the money is up to you. Reinvest it back into your business to grow even more. Take that vacation, ride around in your dream car by the beach, give to an important community organization, or whatever you want. But all I ask is this. I want you to use this machine for good. When you unlock this machine, it's knowledge you're going to have forever. It's the ability to quickly launch and grow a legitimate business that is changing lives every single day. But don't turn into a bad person with money. Honestly, money only magnifies the person that we are. So if you're a good person now, you're going to become a better person with money. If you're a bad person now, you're going to become an even worse person with money. So my hope is that you're going to use this information to change your own life and the lives of those around you. Does that sound good? Then let's go ahead and get started right now. By the way, you're doing great. Most people, believe it or not, have already quit by now, unwilling to change their own life. So here's the secret to exactly how this works. The system and process is called the secret affiliate machine. Secret because, honestly, in the global population, very few people know how to generate real results online. Even fewer know about this specific machine and have to work very, very long and hard to even get similar results. Affiliate means that you get paid generous commissions every single time people buy a specific product. In this case, it's a product that virtually sells itself. This also means that you never have to create, store, warehouse, fulfill, create merchant processing, support, or ship any products ever. It's completely done for you. affiliate marketing is responsible for the massive growth of online businesses that you know, just like eBay, Macy's, Walmart, Nordstrom, Etsy, and even Amazon. And they all have affiliate programs and pay commissions to affiliates to help them grow. Make sense? But look, we don't want to promote low-ticket products like a pair of socks and only get 40 cents in commission. No siree. We want the high commissions that actually makes a difference to our bottom line. In our case, we want to make at least 100 times that or more. Now, here's the really exciting part. The machine part of Secret Affiliate Machine means that the entire process is fully automated and has been built and done for you. The products, the website, the videos, the sales copy, literally everything done for you. Now all you do is follow my simple instructions on exactly how to launch this machine and drive traffic to the machine, which I'll also show you how to do. Now this machine works by taking all the heavy lifting and work off of your shoulders so that you can focus on what matters most, growing the machine and doing the things that you actually want to do. So let's get started. You can and should get started immediately, because the sooner you act, the sooner you're moving towards results. By the way, do you see a place anywhere on this page to put your credit card down? No. It's because I'm literally giving you the $10,000 valued secret affiliate machine for free just for following my instructions. There are some tools that we're going to put into place in the coming steps. And all I ask is that you complete the machine dream form below. Now, this is a promise to yourself that you're going to do what I say, follow simple instructions, and not give up. Guys, this is the real deal. So you need to be willing to grow, just like a real business, not an overnight flash pan. You can launch this machine within the next 60 minutes and could have commissions moving to you by the end of the week. But the longer that you let the snowball roll, the more it grows. Every single day, the numbers increase and you can continue to earn while you grow, just like an avalanche. So, you need to give this process at least 90 days to do its work and implement every step of the way. The people who are trying to sell you the overnight millions, they're straight up lying. It doesn't exist. But you can utilize the same system that I use to get some pretty cool results. And no, this is not some full-time job. You can spend as little as 30 minutes per week tending to your machine just like a pet fish, except this actually can make you money. And don't worry, I'm going to explain how to push that snowball down the hill in the next video. Our goal is actually to get you to $4,000 per month in passive commission or more. Now, how does that sound? What would you do with an extra $4,000 per month? Maybe help your family, maybe launch that business or write that book or pay off some bills. And that's all great, but here's the thing, it gets even better. Now hear me on this, because this is huge. Once you get to a solid $4,000 per month, which I'm going to show you how to do, you're also going to get a bonus that will blow your mind. You'll also get your dream car. That's right, you're not dreaming anymore. When you get to the magical $4,000 per month mark, you get an extra massive bonus. You're going to get an email that looks just like this. And then you get to pick out your own dream car, and it's paid for. How crazy is that? You pick from BMW, Aston Martin, Audi, Porsche, even a Tesla. And all you do is maintain your machine so that you have your dream car and your $4,000 or more per month in cash. And there is no limit to what you can earn. You see how the results can really stack up. Are you excited now? Well, you should be. Now, I can never promise you any results, right? That's not legal and it's not ethical. I don't even know you. I don't know your work ethic or your dedication. Honestly, you might make less than me. You might make more than me, or you might make the same. But the Secret Affiliate Machine is your absolute best bet to get you moving, hands down. So here's how it works. First, fill out that machine dream form below. Now, this isn't a legal contract or anything. This is a commitment to yourself that your goals are clearly defined and that you're willing to put the machine to work for you. This document is not going to be shared with anybody or anything, but it's the first step in declaring that you're not going to give up. Clearly, you want something more for yourself, and you want my help. Or you wouldn't still be here, so you just have to trust me. So fill out that form and submit it. Then we're going to get you to the very next video where you're going to launch the machine. It's as simple as clicking the mouse a couple of times, again, just following my instructions. Then we're going to move you into getting floods of targeted traffic to your machine. The more traffic, the faster the machine moves. Sound good? So now the test begins. Can you follow instructions? If so, move forward with the steps below, and I'm going to see you on the next page.